Do not pay a mechanic to do this job for you. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are working on the R56 Mini Cooper S. What are we doing today then? We are doing a nice easy job, probably the easiest job when it comes to working on a car. We are of course swapping out the wiper blades. Now when it comes to wiper blades, I like to use Bosch. Generally they are the best quality, and I've opted for the Aero Twin for the fronts, and I think the rear, and that's just a standard one, but yeah, the fronts, they should look a lot better compared to what is on. I believe these are just the standard wipers, but they have definitely seen better days. Definitely wiping smeary on the windscreen and make an awful racket. So yeah, we will swap these out, but yeah, like I said, very easy job to do. It literally takes what, 2 minutes, and yeah, you definitely shouldn't pay someone to do this job for you. Now then, when it comes to removing the original wipers, like I said, very easy to do. There is generally a couple of different fittings that it could be. Sometimes, you know, you may have to slide it off, sometimes you may have to press in some little tabs to release it. This one is just the regular hook kind, so you literally just have to slide the wiper towards the car to make it come off the wiper arm. Maybe a little bit stiff, but it should come off. There we are. So the hook on the wiper arm, that just goes over here, holds it in place. Actually goes through a slot on the back of the wiper blade as well. This is what the wiper arm looks like. That's that hook I was talking about. Just going to give this a bit of a clean up just to get rid of that dirt before I install the new wiper blade. And we get our new wiper blade. As I mentioned, this is a slightly different style. This is the Aero style. I think it looks so much more modern in my opinion, but pretty much the exact same when it comes to the installation. You should lift this up and you have basically what was on the original wiper. Hook just goes around there and then you clamp that shut. There we are. You can see the hook is ready to be pushed home. There we are, you should hear a click. Then you can just push this cover down. That clicks as well. It's pretty much job done. That's that one done then. And we'll just do the same at the other side as well. There we are then, that's that side done as well. Now we'll move on to the rear wiper blade. Now when it comes to the rear wiper blade, this is a Bosch one, and the replacement one I have is the exact same. So the previous owner definitely had good taste. Now a little bit different, this one, it's not on a hook, it's on kind of a pivot, so it should just be a press fit into there, so just need a bit of force and that should come out. There we are. That's what the rear one looks like. As you can see, it just pivots on there. Get the new one out. As you can see, the exact same. Again, very easy when it comes to installation. Make sure you have it the correct way around. Simple as that. That's the rear wiper blade done as well. That's the old wiper blades versus the new ones. much better. Okay then, so there we go. Like I said, very easy job to do, especially on this R56 Mini Cooper. Guys, like I said, do not pay someone to do this job for you. That took me, what, 2 minutes? That's including, you know, cleaning the wiper arms as well. Very simple and easy job to do. I'm guessing mechanics love doing this because it's a, you know, it's a quick earner. They probably charge, what, £5 or £10 for swapping out the wiper blades, and yeah, like I said, it takes a couple of minutes. So just get yourself a good set of genuine Bosch or, you know, equivalent OEM wiper blades. They generally last for about 5 years or so. You can get, you know, slightly cheaper ones for, you know, a little bit less money, but it's really not worth it. You may as well just get the Bosch ones and know that they are going to last. So yeah, guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. Oh, by the way, if you do want the wiper blades that I have installed in this video, I'll try and find some links and leave them down in the description box below. But yeah, like I said, I want to thank you all for watching. Please give this one a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you all in that next one.